Today, I'm going to show you how to view your access logs in Shift. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go down to Settings and then Access Logs. So this is the access log screen. And from here, we can see a few pieces of data. First of all, we can see all the timestamps of user actions. We can also see the user, their account type, their action type, action detail, the entity, the status, so either success or failure, and the IP. For obvious reasons, the IP is going to be blurred in this video, and it gives you a nice list of each action the user has taken. There's also, we can go to the next page, and we can also change the date range. So right now, and by default, it's set to just be for today, but we can actually set this to be any date range we want. For example, we can start on the 18th of October and end on the 22nd, and then click apply. Okay, so we've loaded in, and I've selected page 4. And from here, we can see the same things, but for this date range. We can see that these are stamped October 21st, 2025. But we can choose any date we'd like, of course. We can also choose the user type, so either admin or super admin. Then we can choose the action type. So this can be things such as authentication, login, garage, geofence, etc. All of these just happen to be authentication, but these can be any actions that took place in the app. Then there's also the two statuses, which I mentioned earlier, which are success and failure. Finally, we can export this by clicking the export button, which we see downloads an Excel sheet of our access logs for the selected time. And that's all you need to know to use the access logs in Shift.